Okay, so in this video we are going to remove the items of a particular list. So I have created a list already. So to remove the items, you have to mention the name of the list and then dot remove is a function which can be used to remove the items. You have to mention the name of the item and you have to be careful about mentioning the value, so it should be the same. You cannot write the small b instead of the capital A. It should be the same because the Python is case sensitive, right? So to get to know whether it is removed from it or not, you have to print the list. Okay, so here it is. So let's run this. Okay, so apple and banana is removed, and then 1 2 3 and true false, and rest of the values are same, but banana is removed. Okay, so another way is by using the pop function, but here you have to mention the index number. For example, I write 1, means this will remove the value at the index number 1. So 0 1, again the banana will be removed. Let's try another value, 2, right? So 1 2 3 will be removed this time. Okay, so apple banana is here, true false, and this value is also here, but 1 2 3 is removed. Okay, but if you use the pop function without mentioning the index number, what this will do is it is going to remove the last value, the end of the list, right? The last value in the list is this number, which is removed. Rest of the items are same. So if you are not going to mention the index number, the last value will be removed automatically. Okay, so another way is by using the del command. Okay, so del is a keyword, you can say del my list. Here you have to mention the index number, for example the 1, right? Now run this. So 0 1, the banana is removed again, okay, at the index number 1. If I don't mention the index number, let's say I just write delete my list. Okay, so in this case this list will be removed completely, even the structure will also be removed. You see, it is showing the error. Why it's showing the error? I created a list, then deleted this list. Okay, so this list is deleted. Now I'm trying to print this list. It is not existing. See what the Python interpreter do. This first instruction is executed, which will create the list. Next, this will delete the complete list with the structure. Now I'm trying to print this, which is not existing right now, right? It's not defined, right? Name my list is not defined. Okay, another way is if you want to clear the list, right? In this way the whole list will be cleared, but the structure will stay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here the on the member, so you can say the values are deleted, all are cleared, but the structure is still existing. Okay, means the list is still existing. Okay, it is not removed from the memory. Okay.